Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2019 Buick Regal Sportback. Absolutely awesome vehicle, fitted with the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Yes, it's inside. Right? Nope, there it is. Knew it was somewhere. So here is the Sportback. There goes that. Pretty cool design where you just push the Buick logo in. $31,810 is the total price of this one here. Finished in ebony twilight metallic. Really a nice black color. This one is fitted with the cloth interior but has the sound system upgrade. So it's actually a really good spec, good mid-trim spec for somebody who wants luxury features but doesn't want leather seats. Fully automatic windows. Without further ado, let's head out on the road. Based on the same platform as the Malibu, the Regal is a little bit more luxurious. Of course, once you start adding up the options, it's gonna be really, really luxurious. Not exactly sure if it's just because I stepped out of the Sierra 3500, but this has a lot of power. This turbo 4-cylinder packs quite a punch, and I am a huge fan of it. Once you're on the road, super comfortable. Steering wheel is leather wrapped. Definitely a welcome addition in this cabin. Overall, the infotainment system is directly out of Chevy, but the gauges are all different fonts on them. Definitely welcome. Definitely sets the Regal Sportback apart from the Malibu. Do have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It is super quiet in here too. Can't really hear too much at all. I think, sorry, I'm not sure what the future for the Regal is. I believe they are discontinuing it, sadly. I know this is the only one that we've had in stock for like 3 or 4 months. And that's actually pretty sad, just because of how great of a car it really is. What's nice is even though it's powered by a 4-cylinder, and that's take it or leave it for some people, because of the sound deadening that's in here, you cannot really hear the fact that it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder. It provides it. You don't really hear the engine screaming away in the background, especially if you have the music on. Obviously, I can't do that because I'm talking one and YouTube copyright laws. But it overall is a very, very refined vehicle. Really, really comfortable, easy to drive. It has a good amount of punch to never have to worry about not being able to pass somebody on the highway or on a 2-lane back road. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.